Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the question answers of subject English of Standard 4th. The first poem, Rain in the Night. The first question is WRIT, write THE, the MEANINGS meanings. Write the meanings. A. GUTTERS, gutters. The meaning of gutters is CHANNELS, channels. At the edge of STREET, street. That CARRY, carry. OFF of WATER, water. The meaning of gutters is channels at the edge of street that carry off water. B. Pansies, PANSIES, pansies. The meaning of pansies is SMALL, small, PLANTS, plants, OR THEIR, their, FLOWERS, flowers. Small plants or their flowers. Question number 2. Write down the rhyming words. WRIT, write, DOWN, down, THE, the, RHYMING, rhyming, WORDS, words. A. Long, song. Street, feet. Coat, short. Places, faces. Things to do. What are the things you have to do? Number 1. Answer the following questions. A. HOW, how. LONG, long. HAS, has. IT, eat. BEEN, been. RAINING, raining. How long has it been raining? The answer is it had been raining, 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 all night long. B. What effect, EFFECT, effect. What effect will the RAIN, rain, HAVE, have, ON, on, THE, the, FOLLOWING, following. What effect will the rain have on the following? First one, kitty. What effect the kitty will have when it will rain? The kitty will wash his little dirty feet. We have seen in the poem. The little kitty goes out and she can wash her little dirty feet. Roses. Roses will wear diamonds. DIAMONDS, diamonds. Then pansies. What effect pansies will have? Will all get muddy. Since pansies are short plants, they will all get muddy. MUDDY, muddy. Then C. What is the child? CHILD, child. PLANNING, planning. TO2, do, the, NEXT, next. DAY, day. What is the child planning to do the next day? The answer, the child is planning, 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 to sail, 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 HIS, his, BOAT, boat, TOMORROW, tomorrow, in, WONDERFUL, wonderful, NEW, new, PLACES, places. The child is planning to sail his boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. Now, second question. Describe in 3 to 5 lines what happens when it rains in your surroundings. Describe, TESCRIBE, describe, you have to describe in 3 to 5 lines what happens, HAPPENS, what happens when it rains in your surrounding. How you experiences the rain? What happens in your surrounding, in your area, or in front of your house? What happens when it rains? You have to write your own answer for this question. I'll repeat again. Describe in 3 to 5 lines what happens when it rains in your surroundings. So these are the questions and answers of the poem Rain in the Night. Please write it down in your notebook and study them. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day.